How to change plan in Netflix. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Netflix on your browser since you cannot change plan from Netflix application. So, in your browser, once you have opened Netflix, you will see the option for restart your membership. So, tap on the restart your membership option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, tap on next, and you will then be required to choose the type of Netflix plan that you want from the given option. So go ahead and choose the preferred option for you by looking at the specifications. Once you have selected your preferred plan, tap on the next option you see there, and then tap on next again, and you will then be required to confirm your billing address and your payment method. So once you have done that, simply tap on the I agree checkbox you see there, and then tap on the start membership option, and with this you will be subscribed to that particular Netflix plan. So this is how you can change plan in Netflix. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.